Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the table attributes, how to add table background, how to give a table border, how to give space between the cells and the space between the table content and the table border, cell border. Okay. Just start a HTML page. As we know, HTML page is nothing but a web page. To create web pages we use the language is hypertext markup language. To create the static data on the web pages we use this HTML hypertext markup language. Other than this, we also use the style sheets and other things to format the text to give the different effects. Okay, we'll see those all, but the basic thing to display a data in the form of table is by using table tab. We are going to see this. This is title. Okay, just I'm giving the same code here what we have seen yesterday. Now see here, this is the head part completed. Now I want to show you how to write a table inside a body tag. Till now we have seen when we want to display only table on the web page, we no need to place the body tag. But here what I am going to do is I want to display a table along with other content. Then I have to use body tag. Okay, inside body we use the tag is center. Okay, so I'll get my table in the center. Start a table tag. Okay, inside this what we have to do, we have to give the header. Okay, th, that is the header. What I'm just give a name. Okay, then close the table header th. I want to give one more table header, that is th course. Okay, then close the table header tag. Then give a new row, table row. This is to add the rows inside the table. Okay, inside this I have to add two td tags, one for the one td to add the table data. Here I have created two headers, means I have to add two column data here, two columns data here. td, first column is having the name, the heading as name, so I have to give the name here. Okay, one table data is completed. Then next data I am giving, the next column data should have the course. Okay, course I am giving as B. Okay, then close the td tag. Here you can see the first row of the table has been completed. Now I want to add one more table row here. Just go there, td. Okay, give a name, then close the td tag. Give one more column data, that is next data, that is td. Okay, the second column contains the course MSc. I am giving here slash td. Okay, second row of data has been completed. Just close the table tag. Then close the center tag. Then close the body tag. Okay, close the HTML tag. Then save this file. as I told you, I have all my files inside a directory that is my so here table attributes I'm giving here .html. Save it. Go to a browser. Open your file. What I have given table attributes, this one. Just select it. Open it. See here you can see the table without any border here. Okay. As I told you, this is the table header. Name and course are the table headers here. Okay, by default these are in bold. Now I have added 2 rows of data here. First one in 2 columns, second row and 2 columns. Okay. Now what I want to do, I want to show you the attribute like table border, table background, table cell spacing, cell padding. Okay. So that I have aligned here inside center. Now see, go to your file. Okay, here inside the table tab, okay, add a border attribute. Border, how much I want to give? I want to give border as 5. Okay, fine. Just save your file, then go back to your browser, just refresh it. See here, we got the border. The size I have given as 5, so I got it. This is looking so clumsy, so I want to give some space between the cells and space between the content and the cell. Okay, to do that, what we have to do, we have to use cell padding. Okay, equals to, I'm giving as 5. Okay, just save it, then go to your browser. See here, it is not having any space between the content and cell to table border. To give the space between, see here, you can see the space between the cell data, that is nothing but these names and the headers whatever given in the cell. Okay, the content and cell are having some space between those. To add a cell spacing between the cell and a cell, I use cell spacing. Go to your file. Okay, give cell spacing equals to, how much I want to give as 10. Okay, just save it, then again go to your browser. See here, there is no space between these 2 cells. I have given as 12, 10. Okay, see, just refresh it. See here, we can see the space between the cells and the space between the content and the cell border. Okay, this is looking white and white. It's not looking so good. So what I want to do, I want to give a background color to this table. To add background color, I have to use bg color equals to, we can give any color, like I want to give as blue. Okay, this is one more attribute. Save the file, go to the browser. See here, this is in red color now. See, this is blue. This is not looking so good. It is dominating the content. What I want to do, I just want to remove this color. Yellow, I want to do this. Okay, then save your file, go to the browser, just refresh your browser. See here, we can see the table in yellow color which I have given just now. Like this, we can add formatting to table. This is not the formatting for the content, this is the formatting to table. Means we are giving a broad border here, we have given the space between the cells, we have given the space between the content and the cell here. We can see the space between all the things here. So like this, to give a call span, row span. To add two rows, we use call span. To add two columns, we use call span. Okay, we'll see that in the next session. Thanks for watching.